In today's video, I'm going to be buying 2 more stocks in my Trading 212 portfolio. Thanks for visiting my channel, Free Your Finance. My name's Gary and I talk about investing, property and the journey towards financial independence. If this sounds like something you may wish to watch a little more about, please hit the subscribe button below. So for all of you that have been watching my channel for a while, you'll know that I've been taking part in this magic formula investing experiment. What I am going to do is put a link to the first ever video I made that explains all about the experiment and what the formula actually is. I won't explain about it in today's video as a lot of my viewers come back every month and rewatch the videos and I don't want to bore you guys that already know what I'm doing. So this is now month number 4 of me completing this experiment. I have to admit I've always been quite critical about the formula, and personally I still believe index funds are going to absolutely smash the performance of the stocks that I pick that the formula throws out. However, I decided to stop just moaning about it and instead actually put my money where my mouth is and invest some money. Hopefully this is making some interesting content for you guys to watch. However, I must say, please note, this is money that I can afford to lose completely. Investing in individual stocks, especially when you don't know anything about the companies, is a very risky game. You should only ever invest money that you're comfortable in losing unless you really know what you're doing. Just a quick side note, if you did want to get involved with investing on the platform Trading 212, which is definitely one of my favourite platforms, use my link below in the description. All you have to do is sign up using that link and deposit more than £1 and you will get a free share worth up to £100. My best ever free share was worth almost £90, so maybe you might even be able to beat that. Anyway, let's get on with today's video, and first of all we're going to buy 2 stocks. So moving over onto my laptop, we're going to use the Magic Formula Investing Stock Screener. Basically we set our minimum market cap, so all of you guys that have watched the first video will know all about this, and we're going to choose Get Stocks. It's going to throw out a list of stocks which it deems to be good value stocks to invest in, and I pick at random 2 stocks every month to put £50 of my own money into each company. Okay, so the 2 stocks we're going to buy this month is going to be this Buckle Incorporated, and I'm also going to buy Renewable Energy Group. It really is as simple as that. There is no skill going into picking these stocks, which I know you're going to think is mad, so please don't leave bad comments below saying that. This is purely a fun experiment just to see if this formula can actually outperform index funds like the book says it can. I've already said I don't believe it is going to. I'm just simply doing a test and seeing if it works. So now we're going to move over onto my phone onto Trading 212 to invest £50 into each of these companies. The first one that I picked out was Buckle, and the ticker symbol for that is BKE. So on Trading 212 we're going to search BKE. There they are, Buckle. We're going to buy and we're going to choose £50 worth of value, which gets me 2.57 shares, and we're going to hit review order. That all looks correct to me. Send buy order. Usually it takes a couple of seconds and it will tell me it's come through. There we go, order executed. That one took ages. So on to the next company, which was the Renewable Energy Group. Their ticker symbol is REGI, R-E-G-I. R-E-G-I, there they are, Renewable Energy Group. We're going to buy £50 worth of value, which gets me 1.186 shares. We're going to review order. All looks good, send buy order, and that should come through in a couple of seconds. There we go, already, order executed. So it is really as simple as that. It's a crazy formula. I can't believe that it is going to be this simple, otherwise we'd all be multi-millionaires. And to be honest with you, the results I've seen so far are proving me partly correct, but obviously the markets have been a bit strange at the moment with everything going on. But anyway, let's now look at the 6 stocks that I've purchased in the past 3 months videos and see how they're performing. Okay, so one of the first stocks I bought in the first month was Biogen. They've actually recently jumped right up. They're currently at £56.66. Oh, they've just dropped down a tiny bit, but that means they've returned currently 13.2%. It just jumped up to. The reason for the sudden jump is they had research come out, I believe it was earlier today actually, saying that there was some evidence that their drug had a positive effect towards Alzheimer's. So I'm very happy about about that too, but it's good news for the stock price as well. The next stock that I purchased in the first month was Catalyst Pharmaceuticals. For any of you that have watched previous videos, you'll know that this one's been performing awfully after it had some bad news about the agreement of its patent or something like that. You can go back to the second ever video and I went into some of the research that I did to find out why it dropped so much. It's still very much down. Currently it's 31.86% down, so my £50 is now worth £34.07, so it is performing awfully. Now on to one of the stocks I bought in the second month. It was Discovery. Discovery is also down. It's currently at £46.50. Oh, it's just popped up a little bit, so I'm now at 6.94% loss. The second stock I bought in the second month was Hewlett Packard. That stock has also not done incredibly. Currently it is at £48.86, which is a 2.28% loss. Now onto the stocks I purchased in last month's video. I purchased Cisco Systems. Currently that is at £46.99, a loss of 6.02%. You see what I mean about this formula now? It's not doing particularly amazing, is it? And then the final stock I purchased last month was Weight Watchers. Currently, that stock is at £52.16, which has made me a 4.32% gain. At least some are up. But as I've said a couple of times in today's video, the formula is not performing particularly well. So just quickly moving over onto my laptop before we finish up the video, you can see all of the stocks that I've purchased so far. The prices have actually changed since I recorded just a few seconds ago, but at the time that I filled in the spreadsheet, I was currently 3.52% in the red, which is obviously not ideal, but at the same time, it's not awful yet. I'm not going to give up on the formula or the experiment. I've promised 12 months worth of investing, and I'm going to be doing 12 months worth of investing. So by the end of the 12 months, we're going to have 24 stocks in here, and we'll see how the formula is performing by then. Please leave your comments how you think the formula is going to do. Let me know if you think there's going to be any standout stocks out of the ones that I've picked today, and if you think there's going to be any other big losers apart from Catalyst Pharmaceuticals. Next month, as always, I'll be buying another 2 stocks, so make sure you hit subscribe if you wish to watch that update. Take care, guys.